So it's a beautiful sunny morning in Suffolk today, and as you probably saw yesterday, I was breaking out the pipe camera and the hoover to find out what was wrong with the ball valve. You can see in the top left of the frame here, that's how much the valve was stuck open, so there was a constant trickle of water coming out, of course. What I did now, because I've got a camera down there, I opened the valve kind of slowly so I didn't blow myself away with 36,000 litres of water, and then when I managed to get it all the way open, I could see, well, try and see what's behind it, and this is what I found. I thought it was a bird's nest when I looked, and it turned out to be an old rubber bung that had been stuck and lodged in there. So with Gavin's help, this is what happened. So the water level has dropped just over a foot by purging it with the Nexus. It's getting ready to go in, so we decided to lower it rather than get a wetsuit and a snorkel. So hopefully now we're going to try and put this in there, block that, which will then hopefully allow us to come round to here, which is where we've just put this crate here today, so we're probably going to move the Nexus over here. So hopefully we'll be able to get this off and remove the blockage, which is right just before that ball valve. So it's a bit of a break, to put it mildly. No, the pole stays there, but I'll put it in before around the side. I put my hand in.
Downside.
So here we are in tropical waters. The top of the mushroom is off with a little bit of algae, one can see. Yeah, you have literally. Obviously, you want to loosen that off before she goes in, and don't slip on the alginous algae. A couple of fish coming to say hello. See what.
As soon as I got in, all the big ones come around and swim around the legs.
Can you? Oh, I think I'll turn the pump where we've been pumping it out off over here. Did you just commit?
It's got to be about 6-7 degrees, isn't it?
There is a thermometer. Is that here?
It's down there.
Yeah, hang on, I'll have a look.
That's a definite 8.
I can't reach it now, the water's so low. I reckon I'm going to go with 8. Seven, maybe 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's now all going down inside the chesty.
Oh no. Don't worry, I'll get you a cold flannel. Okay, so bung is in the right direction. I'll just turn this one off because I think we're flooding over here. With hindsight, I should have put the drainage pipe much further off because I've now completely filled up my tubes.
It's fucking freezing.
Of course it is, you lunatic.
Problem is, if this is quite high to get in, to get a bite, so then get it to turn.
Remember to breathe. Keep that oxygen coming in. It seemed like a good idea last night when someone texted me this on UK Koi. That's alright till you turn your head sideways and then it's going all up the side of your head. Can you breathe?
It's actually alright. Come on, mate. Oh.
Just go down the crotch.
It's more like Hips is.
I forgot his name. It's a chap on UK Koi.
UK
I'll tag him in. I'm going to try and bung in a cloth into the pot drain as well, an old towel, and see if that'll bung it up a bit more than it is currently. Okay, so we're actually cutting straight into the pipeline of the pond. So that just blew out on its own. Oh, I see. Yeah, the rubber's gone.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. If we didn't have this cat,
Yeah.
it'd been a bit of bother.